In this problem, we will calculate the base current, collector current, emitter current, and finally, the collector-emitter voltage for given BJT circuit. Pause the video right now and comment your answer before proceeding for the solution. Let's see how many of you can solve it correctly. Welcome to Electrical Engineering XYZ, where we solve electronic circuits in the simplest way. The circuit values are base supply 6 volts, base resistor 12 kilo ohms, collector supply 12 volts, collector resistor 120 ohms, beta equals 140, and base emitter voltage is approximately 0.7 volts. In the step 1, we will calculate the base current using the formula. Substituting the values, base current becomes 5.3 divided by 12,000, which gives 0.04417 ampere, or about 442 microampere. Next, find the collector current using the transistor relation. IC equal to beta IB. Multiplying 140 by 442 microamps, the collector current is 61.8 milliamps. Next, we calculate the emitter current, which is the sum of collector current and base current. So the emitter current is approximately 62.2 milliamps. Now calculate collector meter voltage using above formula. Substituting the values, we get 12.742, which gives 4.58 volts. It is a good practice to note that the transistor is still in active region. Since collector current is 61.8 milliamps, maximum possible collector current with RC equal to 120 ohms is about 100 milliamps. The final answers are base current 442 microampere, collector current 61.8 milliamp, emitter current 62.2 milliampere, and collector emitter voltage 4.58 volts. Did you get the correct answer? Subscribe to Electrical Engineering XYZ for more quick and easy electrical engineering solutions.